In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use FiLMiC Pro Remote to operate two iOS devices. If this is your first time to my channel, welcome. This is Ken's Journey, and I'm Ken. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to open up FiLMiC Pro on the first device. Your first device will be this one right here on your right. So we're going to open up the FiLMiC Pro app. Once we get to it, scroll over a few pages, and it's here. So we open FiLMiC Pro. Might be a little big for the screen. So as you can see, it's open right here on your right. And I'm controlling it from the app. It's from FiLMiC Pro. So we're gonna adjust this to make it just a little bit smaller. And now we're gonna open up the remote app, which is this device on your left. Look at that, sitting there wanting to hide. Come on out of there. There we go. Come on out of there. Now it's not connected at this moment, so we're gonna have to go to the settings on the first device, which is this one on the right. Click on the little settings wheel. Click on devices. And if you notice right there where it says remote control, it's already switched to on, but for some reason, it doesn't always connect, so we have to toggle it off, and then toggle it back on. And that opens it up so that it can be connected to the other device, which is an iPhone. And we're going to connect. And as you can see, we have dual images of the device. Let's make that a little bigger. There we go. Now the one on the left will be used as a remote. So you can tap this little circle with broken lines and it'll bring up all of your controls, or most of your controls. On your right, you'll see that it has the focus control, and it also will have the zoom control, which is this one here. Focus. And come on, zoom. And there's the zoom. And you can zoom it in by scrolling this wheel up and down, and that controls the FiLMiC Pro app from your remote. You also can control your ISO speeds and your f-stops from the left side. It's pretty simple. It's not that dedicated. If you have FiLMiC Pro, the original legacy one, do not update. If you update, you're going to be stuck with the subscription plan, and there are ways to get out of it, but you'll have to research it or come back here and maybe I'll do a video. No, I'm not doing that video. I don't want to get caught up in that myself. But anyway, there is a way to get out of it, and I'd have to give you a link to someone else's video that shows you how to go back to Legacy. I think they call it FiLMiC Pro Legacy. But if you already have it, do not upgrade. So if you like this video, please comment, like, and subscribe. And if you have any questions, just stick it in the comment section. I'll be sure to answer as many as I can. So, till the next time, see you right here on Ken's Journey, my YouTube channel.